Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm looking at the Yellowstone Matterhorn 110. So here we have the dimensions for the tent, and it is quite cosy if you're over 6 foot tall, I have to say. I got this tent a few months ago, and it's gone up in price since, but it's still relatively cheap. I think it's around £28. So even though I've had this for a while, this is the first time I'm putting it up. So let's do that, shall we?
So, bit of room down there, a little bit here for your bag outside, but it's snug, as you can see, but it's cheap.
For less than £30 and weighing only 1.5 kilos, it's pretty hard to beat this tent, to be fair. If you're interested in checking it out, there'll be a link in the description below. So here we have the Matterhorn 1, and as you can see it's quite similar in size to the Mil-Tec RECOM One, just over here. Just like the Mil-Tec, you could use this on warmer evenings with just the tarp overhead rather than the fly sheet, and it'd keep the bugs away from you no problem. So, as ever guys, thanks for watching. I'd love to know what you think, so drop me a message in the comments below. Until next time, take care.
You see that, where it's all dry and rotted like that? It's called punkwood. You remember that?